Hello, welcome to this video. It is PVS, the tutor, in this video who's gonna show you how to answer certain multiple choice questions in this paper. Now, as you can see, this is Cambridge IGC SE, but I've already said if you're taking ECZ and you're doing Cambridge, this paper is actually good for you. The coverage is the same. Are you there? So we'll be looking at multiple choice extended version, paper 2, but it's still multiple choice, 2024, May, June. Let's dive in and see what we have to answer from here. Okay, so this is the question number 1. It says, which gas has the lowest rate of diffusion? Anytime they talk about the rate of diffusion, think about mass. So the one with the lowest is the one with the largest mass. So what do you need to do? You need to calculate the relative molecular mass of each compound here. Hydrogen is 2 because just the mass is 1. So that's just 2. Ammonia, you have 14 for nitrogen and 3 here, which give us 17. Carbon here, carbon is 6. Carbon is 6 plus 4, we have 10. For carbon dioxide, what do we have? For carbon dioxide, we have 6 for carbon, and oxygen is actually 16 times 2, we get 32, so we get 38 total. So this one, the largest mass, is the one which is going to be moving slowly. So D is the correct answer. Which statement about the position of the elements in the periodic table are correct? Number 1, elements in the same group have similar chemical properties. Elements in the same group have similar chemical properties, correct? Elements in the same period have similar chemical properties, no. Elements in the same group have the same number of electron shell, no. They don't have the same number of electron shell, but what they have in common is that their last shell has only the same number of electrons. Not just the number of shells, but the last shell has the same number of electrons. Elements in the same group have the same number of outer shell electrons. Like I said, I'm just from explaining, which is true. So here it's just 1 and 4. So you can say the answer here is B. You've seen how easy it is, right? Let's go to next question. Which statements about isotopes are correct? Which statements about isotopes are correct? Again, let me just zoom it a bit. Number 1, isotopes are atoms of different elements with the same number of protons. That one is it correct? Is it correct? Isotopes are atoms of different elements with the same number of protons. Well, isotopes, they have the same proton number. They have different neutron number. They have different mass number. Isotopes of the same element have the same chemical properties. Yes. Number 3, isotopes are atoms with the same relative atomic mass. No. Isotopes of the same element have the same electronic configuration. Yes. Do you know why? Because the proton number is the same. So let's now look. We have 1, 2, and 4. I think let's revise number 1. Isotopes are atoms of different. Oh, no. Not different elements. Sorry. They are of the same element. So this one also out. So we only have 2 and 4, meaning C is the correct one. So sorry for that. Which diagram shows the arrangement of outer shell electrons in a molecule of water? So in a molecule of water, H2O, how is the bonding? We know that there will be 1 oxygen, 1 hydrogen, and 1 hydrogen. An oxygen will donate, a hydrogen will donate. An oxygen will donate, a hydrogen will donate. We know that oxygen has got 8 electrons. And out of 8, when you write the configuration, only 6 are in the outer shell. Meaning if oxygen donates 2 electrons to hydrogen, meaning it will remain what here? 4. Meaning oxygen here is going to have what? 4 electrons left there. But hydrogen cannot have again another electron left. Why? Because hydrogen obeys the duplet rule of configuration. meaning we are looking for a structure of this nature where only 4 electrons are surrounding what? Oxygen. So there should be 4 electrons surrounding oxygen. Yes, even here they are there. They are here. Even here they are here. But do you know why this one is wrong? B is wrong. There's an electron in the hydrogen, which is impossible to have. Okay, but here there's nothing in the hydrogen. The same way we have drawn this one, meaning C is the correct answer here. We got to question number 5. It says that the structures of 3 substances are shown. The structures of 3 substances are shown. Which substances are hard and have a high melting point? Well, one thing that I know is that this is graphite and this is diamond. This one looks like a mixture of diamond and another atom. I think so. Meaning it's likely to have, it's like an alloy or something of diamond. Now, which substances are hard? Now, graphite is soft. This one is soft. So where there's 1, the answer is wrong. So this one is out, this one is out. 2 only? No. By virtue of diamond, which is already strong, combined with another atom, meaning it's like an alloy of some sort, meaning it even becomes more harder. D. So I rest my case here. Like I said, this is my number. Okay. I teach both IGCSE, Cambridge, and ECZ, Examination Council of Zambia exams. I teach them. We are revising. You can just WhatsApp me on this number. You make a little payment to help me as well in the gadgets that we use and the daily data. We also help you prepare for the exams. That's how it works. See ya.